Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I want to talk about a variable speed furnace and or variable speed, and the reason why I personally like variable speed versus a standard air conditioning system. Let me show you why. Here we have a furnace. It's a gas furnace by American Standard. I already took off the screws, but this here, it just turns to the sides like this. And you can take it off. And then this one here has a couple of screws that you take off. I'm at a customer's house, so just put these down for now. But this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is your gas valve. This is your inducer draft motor. This is what takes out the carbon monoxide. And this is here is a two-stage. Okay, we see one, and here's the other one. So it's two-stage gas. These are your burners, 1, 2, 3. So this is called a 60,000 BTU. These are limit switches in case if the fire rolls out, it'll turn these off. But if we look down here, if we look down here, we can see in here. So we see this. We see this right here. This is a module, and that sits above on top of the motor. The motor's in here. So this here is called your circuit board, and over here you can see the it turned. That's your squirrel cage, and you see the blade pointing down, so it rotates this way. But the variable speed motor changes from AC to DC volts, which consumes less energy. Also, another thing that I really like about this one here is that it has something called, this is where your thermostat goes connected. So we have Y1 and Y2 in case for two-stage cooling. We have W for white, which is heating. We have W2, which is for white heating, second stage. We have R, which is red, that's run or power. We have G. We have G for green, which is fan. We have C for common, and we have O for orange if it's a heat pump. And then we have, you see that BK? That's a dehumidification. So on the thermostat, on a special thermostat by American Standard, it also has something called the BK. And the BK, the only thing it does, it helps control humidity. That's its only purpose, is to help control humidity. So no other air conditioner has it. They dehumidify by themselves, but this one here has that BK, B as in boy, K as in kilo, also in the thermostat. So you would take any color wire off that thermostat and hook it up to what's called BK. From BK to the thermostat, it can be any color you want. But here, we'll go back to it in a minute. But Y is for yellow. Excuse me here. W is white. They're color coded. R is red. G is green. And C is common, which is blue. And then O is for orange. And then BK, any other color you may have. You can have a pink, you may have a brown, you can have a black. You know, whatever color you want to hook up here, you want to make sure to hook it up to the thermostat as well. So again, going back to the variable speed, why I personally like the variable speed, it changes from AC to DC volts, so it consumes less energy, and it helps control humidification, humidity in the house. So ideally, in perfect conditions, you would want to have, get this over here again. Ideally, in perfect conditions, you want to have 50% relative humidity, and you could have it set at 74 degrees, and that will feel very, very comfortable, very cool. On the older systems, you have to bring it down to 68, 69 to keep the house cool. And what that does, it makes the air conditioner run longer, but it also consumes more energy because it runs more. But it hurts your pocketbook, especially if your system is over 10, 12, 13, 14. The older the system, the more money you're spending. So again, I personally like variable speed units because they consume less energy. Variable speed units, furnaces or air handlers, 16 SEER, high efficiency units, variable speed. Again, because of that one feature, it's got that BK, B as in boy, K as in kilo, BK setting. Call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. And you can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, thanks guys. See you guys in the next video.